Hey there, safety enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down essential topics to keep you informed and compliant in the workplace. Today, we're tackling how to get a new OSHA 10 card in 2025. If you're in construction, manufacturing, or any industry that requires OSHA certification, this video is a must-watch. Let's dive right in. First off, what's an OSHA 10 card? It's a certification from the Occupational Safety and Health Administration that proves you've completed a 10-hour training course on workplace safety hazards. This card is crucial for job sites across the U.S., and with updates for 2025, it's more important than ever to keep yours current. Maybe yours has expired, or you're starting fresh. Either way, renewing or getting a new one is straightforward. Step 1. Check if your card is expired. OSHA cards are valid for up to 5 years. So log into the OSHA website or your training provider's portal to verify. If it's expired, don't panic, it's time to move on to step 2. Next, find an authorized OSHA training provider. In 2025, OSHA has emphasized online options for flexibility, so look for accredited organizations like those on the OSHA.gov website. These could be community colleges, unions, or private companies. Make sure they're up to date with the latest 2025 guidelines, which include more focus on emerging hazards like heat stress and mental health in the workplace. Once you've selected a provider, enroll in the course. It typically costs between $100 to $200, and you can choose in-person or virtual formats. The training covers topics like fall protection, electrical safety, and hazard communication. Complete the 10-hour program, which includes quizzes and a final assessment. After finishing, you'll receive your new OSHA 10 card via email or mail within a few weeks. Remember, always keep a digital copy for quick access and stay on top of any state-specific requirements. By following these steps, you'll not only stay compliant but also boost your career prospects. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more safety tips. See you in the next video.